Hello and welcome to day number 76 of our Travel Trader series. I'm back from a quick workout that I just had, and I wanted to give you an update on how trading is in that kind of lockdown state that we have currently in Europe. So I'm basically stuck in Germany, cancelled the rest of the tour, so the things in Hamburg, Dresden and Berlin won't happening, so I will offer them a webinar instead where we can tell them, okay, what can we do after the crisis is over and when the stock market will go up again after these crazy times. As I'm currently stuck here, can't go back to Cyprus, I decided to make the best out of it, so I'll take some time for myself, have some workouts, and of course, like trading is the one profession where we actually can make money no matter what's going on, and whether you are at home or in self-quarantine or whatever you're doing, so you still can make some money, and this is exactly what I did. So we had two scenarios. We knew that the Federal Reserve will cut down the interest rates and help to boost the economy by putting more and more money in the markets. The only question was if that is enough, that the market will go up, and I highly doubted it, as we are still in crisis mode. More and more countries are going into lockdown. Everything is closing down to prevent the spread of the virus. So I was pretty sure that we would go down. However, if you don't know, you just trade both. So I had order that in case we would shoot out, because the market is convinced that it would go up, I would make some money on the upwards movement. But I had like two orders going down in the opposite direction, because I was very convinced that the market will go down further, at least for the moment. And that is exactly what happened. So the first order that I did was very, very rewarding. So as the drops in the volatility is so high, our order sizes or our orders are currently a little bit bigger. As our account is now way above 40,000 euro, I traded a little bit more like as if we would have 25,000 or 30,000 in there, not 20,000 anymore, because otherwise the volatility would be a little bit high. So that's why our results are a little bit better and bigger than they would be in a 20,000 euro account. But I already said like 2 weeks ago that we might ramp things up sooner, so we get some real nice results now. I'm entering trading account. So our first trade was profitable with 5,000 euro. That we earned. The second trade in the morning, we got in, and then the market kind of retraced, and we had a guessed volatility stop loss. That meant that that actually was a negative trade, so we lost 1,850 euro by I think 2 or 3 points in the German DAX market, which is not a lot. So actually we were set in the right direction, and if there would have been, it's like every time, like would have or should have is doesn't really matter. So we lost 1,850 rather than making another 5,000. But then again, like I went to breakfast, and during breakfast I put the third order in, and then we made another 3,590 euro now in the direction downwards again, and we made that loss back. So in total we are up 6,740 euro for the day. I then decided to do some mental feeding, listening to some audiobooks, having a workout, and all these kind of things. And now I'm back and gotta get ready for a webinar with my students, so we can have a look at the current market situation, how we want to adapt, and where we want to position ourselves so we can make the most out of this lockdown, get some money, earn some money in trading, and then when things get normal, we are on top again, and then we can decide what we want to buy for the long term and help to build the markets up again to a certain extent. So that's basically it for today. Tomorrow we will probably do exactly the same thing. Some of the trades currently are quite expensive because uncertainty is very high. So there's not too many opportunities, but if you find the opportunity like today going short, they are very, very rewarding. Thank you very much for watching. I will keep you updated what's new tomorrow. And yeah, as soon as times get a little bit nicer, we will have some more trades over longer terms, and then we will go back to normal. Hopefully by then all these virus are gone, and we can enjoy our usual lifestyle again. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll keep you updated latest by tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.